Alright, another video. I just finished installing the Blox brace for the pitch stop. You can see it right here. So hooked up, already installed. I got the stainless steel clutch line. I already bleed the clutch line. I'm thinking I did it right. It was no any more bubbles. I got it all good. I don't know. I have my daughter pushing the pedal. She told me the pedal never stayed up. She always had to put it back up. So I don't know if it will get fixed after I turn on the car or something. But anyway, I already put the pitch stop. I installed everything on it. So I'm getting ready to put the intercooler back on. Put the engine cover back on. And then see how it goes. So, because you want to try to do it yourself, it's not really hard, you know. I think like it's just patience. You just take patience. I watched the install on YouTube, so that's the guy that I follow. I follow the video from Subie bros. I don't know. That's the Blox. Look pretty damn good. The torque solution pitched up. So any question or anything, just leave it on the comments. I guess I will do a review after I drive the car for a little bit and see how it works, how it functions. Hopefully I bleed the clutch line right. So yeah, I did put the sticker on it. I had to. I got some Boomba stickers that I had to put on too. So yeah. Anyway, if anything, leave a comment, like the video, subscribe for more content. Be safe.